Hello my dear students, welcome to BYJU'S exam prep. Hope you guys are fine. So guys, in this short video, I'll quickly tell you the 7 career opportunities for civil engineers. So why to wait? Let's start. So let's be quick. First of all, if you don't know about me, you can go through my profile. Next, let's start with the session. What are the 7 career opportunities for civil engineers? Okay. So now talking here, the number first in this list is you can go for urban planner. Guys, after your BTech in this civil engineering, you guys have seen nowadays people are apart from structures, geotech, transportation and all those things, people are doing MTech from urban planning also, because in this 21st century era, urban planning has also developed a huge round of scope. Here basically the construction plans and all, the reviewing work of it is there, and if designated plots are there, what should be the area designated for all those places, what should be the whole blueprint of it. This is the work of an urban planner. Okay, because you know that now we have smart cities projects going on in various cities of the India. So this urban planner has come in actually in huge demand. Okay, so the first is you can go for urban planner. Second in this list is you can go for environment engineers. So basically here, if you have knowledge of soil biology, basically in environment also there is a vast scope. Like here you have pollution part also, then you have sewage designing part also, you have water supply part also. So yeah, you can go for environmental engineer as well. Next in this list comes is for building control surveyor. Generally many people are not aware, because in India we haven't had a lot to discuss about it, and generally you don't know about it. But yeah, building control surveyor is also there. So here when the plans are there, drawings are there, so building control surveyor examines all those drawings and all. Okay, and make sure that whatever are the regulations, what are the codal provisions, what are the Indian standards codal provisions, all that things are met in the drawings and all. Okay, so the reinforcing bars you provide or any other things you provide, that should be as per regards to the provisions as per the rules and regulations. So that is the work of building control surveyor. Okay, next in this list, the next career opportunity which you can go for is civil designer. Like if you're not interested in the field jobs and you are like, no, I can't do that field jobs, particularly like if girls think that no, it's field job is something which they are not very much interested. If in case it happens, it's not that I'm discriminating with respect to gender, but I'm just telling like they are into more like they are more interested in designing part. So for them you can go for civil designer. Here you need to learn various softwares. Initially in good olden days, right now also we have basics at AutoCAD, but now like if you are going to any companies and you're working for esteemed companies like DLF, or you're working for Gammon India, you're working for L&T. So if you're working in a good companies in private sectors also, it's not that only AutoCAD will help you. Apart from that, Revit, 3D Max, Stat Pro, and then upgraded versions like ETAP, SAP, LabVIEW. These are the softwares which you need to learn. Okay, because now only making a structure is not enough. You have to check it out whether the structure is safe, what are the failure points, at which place where you are making the structure, is it a seismic prone areas. So everything it is being done with the help of softwares, and this work is done by a civil designer. Okay, next in this list is geotechnical engineer. So obviously whenever, as I told you, whenever you construct anything like dams or any hydraulic structures or any bridges, suspension bridges, anything, when you construct, first it's very important to know or investigate the soil. You should know the bearing capacity of the soil, the rocks, everything. You should do the preliminary survey, and that is done by geotechnical engineer. So you can opt for geotechnical engineering also if you are very much into the soil, you have a personal liking towards that particular field, you can go for this career option also. Okay, next in this list, Next in this list after it is you can opt for structural engineer. Generally we say in civil the evergreen branch is structural engineering, because see, construction will never stop. Initially days are struggle, let me very true to you. Like if you have done MTech in structures, then obviously for 2-3 years you can work with some firm, get good contacts, get an experience, and you can establish your own firm also. Okay, but here, as the number of years of experience of yours increases, you have more better opportunities, more bigger projects, more contracts, more tenders you'll be getting, and more money, of course. Okay, so here basically you will see the inspections part, the proper assemblance part, the constructions part. Okay, the structural aspects of it is being taken care by the structural engineer. Okay, next if you talk about, next in this list is architect. Okay, of course, generally we say that civil engineering and architect are same, but there's a slight difference between them. Here basically for making buildings and creating construction plans, we have architect. Architect doesn't go and execute it, execution part is but obviously done by the civil engineers, but the designing part of it is done by the architect. Okay, so you can go for architect, environmental engineer, geotechnical engineer, structural engineering, building control surveyor. You can go for urban planner. So n number of career opportunities are there, but you have to first figure it out which field you are interested in. Okay, which field you are interested in, try to figure it out, try to check it out your personal liking, and if you have an interest, damn sure you will success in that particular field. Okay, so you can enroll in any of these career options for you as a civil engineer. For more videos, do subscribe to BYJU'S Exam Prep. And if you want me to take any more sessions, you can comment in the comment section. We'll definitely try to take that session as early as possible. Thank you, everybody.